In this video, we're going to take a look at the insurance calculation question in the 2024 exam, which was question 4, a short question worth 6 marks. So taking a look at it here, look at the following advertisement for an insurance company in Macroom, County Cork. A1 Insurance Limited, West Square, Macroom, County Cork. Buildings, €2.50 per €1,000. Burglar alarm installed, 9% discount. Lucas and Katrina would like to insure their house for $320,000. They have no burglar alarm. 1. Using the above information, calculate the cost of their insurance premium from A1 Insurance Limited. Okay, so they have a house and they want to insure for $320, and we're told up here that it costs €2.50 per €1,000. So the calculation we will do is 320,000 divided by 1,000 and then multiply that by €2.50. Okay, so that is going to be €800 when you put that into your calculator. Now the next question says, how much would they save? So how much would they save if they were to install the burglar alarm? So as you can see here, burglar alarm installed would mean that they would get a 9% discount on their €800. So we multiply the €800 by 9%, or put 0.09 into your calculator, and you will get an answer there of €72 that they would save if they got a burglar alarm. So that is question 3 complete, and it should take you about 2.5 minutes to complete it.